Hi, I'm John. I frankly was feeling rather hopeless about German, and then I found LanguageMasters, and right away Alma made me feel confident in the German that I brought to the school and offered me classes, and it's been an incredible supporting atmosphere from the very beginning, from my first meeting with Alma. We're welcomed in the morning, we're offered coffee, there's good cookies throughout class, and more importantly, the teaching by Andrea is so supportive and flexible. And despite my certainty that I would never be able to speak German, it's really been an amazing progress that I've seen. I'm at a point now where I confidently speak German with people who don't speak any English. I'm not quite at the point where I'm as confident speaking German with people who speak English well, but that's changing a bit too. If friends come at me with a bit of German, I understand them and I respond in German, and that's becoming kind of fluid, and actually I'm having fun with it. I had to go to the tax office and that was all in German. I go to the Kreisbüro, that's all in German. I'll tell a little anecdote. My boss is coming by my desk and he sees my book and he says, B2, you're really, well, he doesn't even know how to say it in German. B2, you're really just trying to show off. I said, well, all you have to do is go to the school where I am. I said, it's really so welcoming and supportive, and that's what I find most effective here. For me, LanguageMasters is the best kind of atmosphere for learning a language because it feels like home, and it feels like friends are supporting me in learning the German that I need to know and use to live here in Switzerland.